Imagine waking up in a world with no continents, no beaches, no ground at all. Earth is a perfect blue sphere of endless water. Every direction looks the same. There is no land to reach, no cities to build, no forests to explore. From the deepest trench to the highest wave, this planet is completely ocean. In this water-only world, history would never look like ours. Humans could not have invented farming, built villages, or created civilizations. No pyramids, no roads, no technology. Our entire evolution would change. We would not learn to walk. We would learn to swim before we ever learned to breathe. All land animals vanish from existence. No dogs, cats, birds, insects, or dinosaurs. Life belongs only to the sea. Creatures evolve strange new shapes to survive. Jellyfish grow larger, whales become rulers, sharks become faster. The ocean becomes louder, darker, and more dangerous than today. Surprisingly, Earth would not run out of oxygen. Tiny ocean plants called phytoplankton keep the air filled. But without trees or mountains, the climate becomes violent. Winds move without barriers, building storms that never die. Waves grow as tall as buildings and travel across the entire planet. Hurricanes become monsters. Nothing stops them. They spin for weeks, even months, tearing apart anything floating on the surface. Survival means diving deep below the waves, where the water is quieter, colder, and filled with glowing creatures that never see sunlight. If humans existed here, our bodies would be different. Longer lungs, webbed hands, stronger legs, better hearing underwater. Skin would be thicker to resist cold. We might form floating communities made of sea plants, shells, and giant pieces of drifting wood. Our entire culture would be built on the ocean. Food becomes a challenge, with no farms and no animals on land. Every meal comes from the sea. Hunting becomes dangerous. Some species glow, some poison, some hide deep below. Humans must share the ocean with predators bigger, smarter, and faster than us. But the ocean has secrets. Under the surface, tectonic plates still move. Volcanoes erupt in the deep dark. Each eruption adds rock to the seafloor. Over millions of years, some of those underwater mountains grow taller and taller, inching toward the surface. One day, after ages of rising magma, an underwater volcano finally breaks through. For the first time in Earth's new history, a tiny island appears. A small patch of rock, steaming, smoking, waiting for life. This single piece of land changes everything. Seeds drift on the wind. Birds find a place to rest. Plants take root, more islands rise, and slowly, the ocean world becomes a planet of new continents. Civilization begins again. Buildings, science, stories, and hope return. So maybe a world of water wouldn't be our end. Maybe it would be our restart.